I got it. Beamer.
Yeah, you gonna see it? Yeah. YouTube, what is going on? It's your boy Tez. We back with another banger, you feel me? And we got, I don't know if y'all can tell, but is this video looking a little bit different for y'all? Yeah, so we recording with our new camera setup. I went and upgraded to a Sony, as you can see, nice big camera. Went and upgraded to a Sony. I'm not gonna go into details what kind of camera it was, but yeah, so we're gonna be testing this out, see how y'all like this. I need y'all to comment down below. See how y'all liking this, this camera setup. We are not gonna exit out the GoPro. Actually, just wanna show y'all. Yeah, so we got the GoPro on our head, so we're looking goofy out here. But yeah, so I'm gonna make this intro short, but long story short is we have to take this car up to Global Tires because they did an alignment on the car back, I think it was November or December, I can't really remember. Now my steering wheel is back crooked. I don't know why. It shouldn't go back crooked after like 3 or 4 months just from normal driving and whatnot. I'm not hitting anything, I'm not running into anything on the road. It shouldn't do that. So golly, I love DC. So I'm trying to hurry up. I'm actually running late. Yeah, today I was supposed to be there at 4, but I had to get this intro in at the fat tires. So yeah, y'all comment down below how y'all liking this camera, how the audio is sounding, all that good stuff. So yeah, let's hop in, do the cold start on this bad boy. All right, let's go ahead and get this cold start in. So the steering wheel sits like that. Turbo is smoothing for the right. Yeah, it feel good to be back recording for y'all, man. Let's get some little spoolie noises. I'm not gonna be recording the whole way. Just gonna record, a little bit for y'all. Just trying to let this thing idle down and whatnot. It feels good to be back recording for y'all. Y'all don't understand, man. Well, some of y'all do, cause y'all been following me on this journey, building this car. But yeah, we got the new Sony camera right here. We're gonna be vlogging with, like, when I'm at car meets and stuff. I had to update and upgrade the quality, man. Just try to keep those RPMs low. I'm letting off. I don't know why. I love to hear that turbo, so that's why you see me letting off a lot. Bro, we got AC, bro. In Georgia, bro, I be fried chicken during the summer, bro. I can't do this heat. I'm a up north baby. I'm from Michigan, so, bro, this heat, I couldn't do another summer without no AC, man. I'm sorry. I don't care. I don't care how people feel. Oh, you shouldn't have no AC. It's a race car, bro. Nah, this one getting AC. I don't care what you say, bro. But yeah, the AC is ice cold in this in this car. Yeah, so we got AC, but I'm gonna ride with the windows down, maybe. Put the windows up so y'all can see if y'all can hear the turbo a little bit more. Because the windows down is because I'm running open dump right now. It's a bit, I don't know. It's a little bit loud, bro. It's a lot of drone. I'm gonna add my exhaust. I'm not gonna keep this car open dump. Mainly because of how loud it is. I mean, it's cool or whatever, but I like the way my car sounds with the exhaust on it. I'm gonna try to add either vibrant resonators or whatever to that exhaust. But I gotta get that exhaust extended because this turbo sits forward a little bit more. So it's like the downpipe and the exhaust, they don't meet each other. So it's got like that much, like 1.5 inches, between 1 inch and 1.5 inches worth of space, and whatnot. none of these lights on, and now they were back because the steering wheel is, you know, crooked. I can't drive like that, man. It irks me, bro. It really does irk me. So, oh, and another thing is, we can't even run this candy apple red aluminum valve cover anymore because I feel like there's something going on with that valve cover. So I'm like, yeah, something's going on with that valve cover. I'm not about to run it. I'm about to just put on my stock valve cover. It's pretty much brand new. Put that back on, and hopefully the smoking goes away. I feel like it will, because to be honest, I feel like if it was another problem, it would smoke regardless. Like my last setup with my other turbo and my other engine, like it would smoke regardless if I'm in manual mode, whether I'm in boost, not in boost, like it would smoke at all times, like if I'm taking off in drive or in manual mode regardless. So I'm thinking, I'm real hopeful that it's that. Still have to dial in the tune with the car with Doc Vu. He sent me another revision, so I have to do that too whenever I get some time. I'm just so busy. Like, life of a YouTuber, bruh, aspiring YouTuber, you busy all the time, bro. Especially these car YouTubers, or any YouTuber in general that's on the grind is busy. So I guess I'll hit y'all when, because we in a lot of traffic. I guess I'll hit y'all when we get there. Alright. Oh my god, so I can't go this way, we just got here. That's why I have to come in the other way. They always got something going on. Yeah, this steering wheel ain't it. Park right out front, so they ain't gotta do no looking for the cars right here, but see how it sounds on this camera. Still got a lot of work. We're making progress. Thanks to y'all. Then, y'all got the keys? Nope. What all you want me to fill out on it?
Just name, phone number, year, make, and model, just so I can give it to the guys.
Alright. Doing alright today?
Chilling, man. Just another day.
Another day, right?
Beautiful day.
Very beautiful. It's about time, right?
I know.
It's just freezing a couple days ago.
Yeah. Morning time.
Morning time, yeah,
After
yeah.
that, it's straight.
I feel it's stupid, like, just being at home and just sitting down, like,
I got it. Car keys. Beamer.
Yeah, you don't see it? So I guess now we wait. I got this wide angle lens on here. You know, I'm trying to get used to filming with it, bro. It just seems a little bit weird. It's been a minute since I had a camera like this. Man, look at the braids. Peep the braids. See if they got anything in here cool. Look at the CT vibes out there. Yeah, it is. Excuse me, my bad.
we need to film together, bro.
Man, we can do it, bro.
I'm about to turn my YouTube channel back up, man. So
Do it, bro. You still got the Hellcat, right?
I got all my cars.
Yeah, you got too much money for me, bro. Man said I got all my cars, not just the Hellcat.
Yeah, the AMG faster than the Cat.
You got an AMG?
E63S.
What color is it?
It's gunmetal gray.
I thought it was. I was just thinking.
Yeah.
I'm like, wait, yeah, you think got that?
Gunmetal gray.
Is it a coupe?
4-door.
4-door.
Yeah.
See, bro.
It's
I'm
a
trying
S.
to look. I'm aspiring to be
All-wheel
like you, bro.
Huh?
I'm trying to be like you, bro.
I'm trying to be like you, boy.
Man, nah,
Trying to be like
man. I'm
Ted.
trying. I'm just trying to, be better every day, bro.
That's what's up, bro.
Yeah, so it's doing all right. Like I said, you got a little stuff. Got to get the quarter panel painted.
Yeah.
You know, a little stuff here and there, but for the most part, that's that smoking issue. I'm gonna swap that. I'm probably swap that out today.
You're not running this open like this, right? You got
Nah, this hood temporary. I'm gonna get another hood and just go away with that because water can't get in there like
Yeah.
that.
What
Yeah.
size turbo is it?
6871.
Garrett.
Nah, comp.
Comp.
It's ball bearing though,
Oh, okay.
and billet housing.
Yeah, my new one just came in for the my Accord, my race car. What's up, bro?
Oh, okay.
What going?
That's what's up, bro.
I went with Max Speed Racing. You ever heard of them?
Max Speed? Yeah,
Cars?
I heard of them. Oh, it's built motor.
Oh, yeah.
Woo.
Yeah, Bisimoto built, bro. The Honda.
Yeah, you ain't got to do much to them Hondas, bro, to get them running like that, bro, honestly.
But to be honest with you, I want to go all-wheel drive.
Oh, yeah, that's the wave.
Yeah.
So you're going to do a lot of dig racing in it.
Yeah. So I can keep up with this fast guy.
Man, I haven't raced nobody, bro.
No?
Not yet, no.
This car moved, bro, from what I seen.
That was the whole different setup. That was with the Borg Warner. This is a new turbo.
Oh.
Yeah, this one is bigger and a little bigger in different areas.
Tuned on it?
Yeah, it's tuned for it.
Okay.
Yeah, but I just got to finish the tune and everything. But like, I haven't ran up against nothing with this new setup. And plus, the old setup was only on 93.
93. So what you on now?
4E. And it had one pump, so I got 2 pumps, bro. So we gonna see what it do. They just 450s.
450.
Yeah, I had a single 450 on 93 at 19 pounds. It made 550 wheel.
I know that felt crazy.
Yeah, and then like the most I could run on that setup on 93 was like 23 psi. So I never dynoed it. I know it touched like maybe 600 wheel on just pump, and that's good numbers for pump for these cars. So I don't know how much it would make with this.
Remote tuned or street tuned? Just
yeah, street tune. It's custom tuned by Doc.
I believe in street tunes, bro. I don't really
Bruh,
care about dyno.
that's what everybody say.
Yeah,
they say
bro.
that street tune your car because that's how it's
Yes.
gonna perform on
Yes.
this. You gonna street
You're
drive
not
it.
driving on the dyno. You're driving on the street. I need to
Exactly.
ride and act how I wanted to act while I'm out here.
Facts, bro. Yeah. 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 I don't know, bro. I mean, I have to really be by the car to really, see what's going on. It's like, but you hear that turbo scoring crazy. Just don't look at that. Yeah, y'all comment down below on how like this new camera setup. Hopefully everything come out nice and crisp. Shout out to this guy right there because he came in and asked me, he was like, bro, you want your car to hook? I'm like, I mean, it does hook, but this setup, the tires, they hook. But he like I could give you like some suspension right there, hook every time. So I guess he gonna adjust it and everything. Use the coilovers I got, get the best out of it. So we gonna see.
Cut that out and then like flare it.
Oh, you talking about the fender, inside the fender?
If you did that and got like some aftermarket camber arms, aftermarket toe arms,
Yeah.
I could pull your camber out to either 0 or positive. It's like
Okay.
0.02 or
Yeah.
0.2, and I could set your toe in a little bit.
Okay.
That way, if you were to just hit it, do a hit or
Just
like
go dead
launch
straight.
it. That, and if I cambered it out, when you do a hit or launch it,
Yeah.
it'll bring your camber back in to pretty much damn near dead zero.
Gotcha.
And it'll pull your toe out. So
Okay.
if you did that, I could set.
Yeah, once again, my guy, he knows what he's talking about. So he's pretty much saying that I need toe arms and camber arms, so and whatnot. I bring it back and he can dial the suspension in like for pretty much like a race setup and whatnot. So we're gonna do that. Yeah. So I'm just gonna wait for them to bring the car back around. See how the steering wheel looks and how it drives and everything. But my boy's loving that. I want his cheese and left and right. Driving it. Alright. Thank you. Yes, sir. So shout out to Global. They took care of me, man. So yeah, like I said, long story short, he was telling me what I needed in the rear. Man, this car is dirty. I'm gonna clear this up and whatnot. But Yeah, he said I needed something in the rear. Get it dialed in fully. So he did the best he could. It's understandable because I did get hit on this side, so that's probably why the suspension is kind of off. So damn, I'm already trying to break the camera. Hit the camera with so let's go ahead and start it. See if we got a straight steering wheel, man. Cause I didn't even, bro, this steering wheel is so crooked. I ain't even want to record no videos for y'all. So what I'll do is to try to get the rest of these lights off, I'll probably try to calibrate it and whatnot. Calibrate the system now that it's straight and see if it'll make the rest of these go off. And hopefully that steering wheel light stays off in the corner. So but right now it's off. So yeah, I think that's pretty much it. I think that's, I didn't know he worked up here at Global, so small world. Alright, so I just wanted to add this clip in here, but I just coded my steering angle sensor because I was getting codes for it. That's why I had that brake light and that traction control light. So I just coded that. Yeah. Now we don't got no lights on the dash. So let's drive it real quick. I know I said I ended the video. Let's drive it real quick because I gotta run the AutoZone real quick. Just grab a valve cover gasket because I'm about to put this OEM valve cover gasket back on. See if it stays off. Look like it's staying off. Yeah, it look like it's staying off to me. So we finally got it back to no lights on the dash. So it's lit. Let's go. We just got that adaptive headlight module that pops up, but I ordered a module for it to see if that's the problem. And that comes in tomorrow, so